It's Chriso, people. I'm laying this balcony. I started off, my centre line is the centre line of the doors, so we've come off that. Now what I don't do balconies all the time now, or around pools or patios or all that sort of thing these days. I stick more to bathrooms. I specialise more in bathrooms. But over 35 years of tiling, when I was younger I used to do a lot of patios and pools and that sort of thing. What I do here is I always overlay my tile, because what I'm going to be doing is cutting a nice square edge, popping in some aluminium, and then put my dropper down. This dropper has been laid way out of plumb, so I'll be overhanging a fair bit. That's plumb there, so it's a good 12 mil out of plumb, that dropper. Anyway, I'll be overhanging about 35 mil. I'll cut them roughly, lay them all. Tomorrow I come and cut it nice and straight, and then I do my upstand. I find it way quicker, because a lot of things can be out of square, so you need to square them up. Like that's not too bad, and this isn't too bad either, but sometimes in the tiling industry there are things that are way out of square and you've got to square them up. The easiest way to do it is overlay, ping a line, cut it the next day when it's dry, and you're laughing. So I'll be cutting these now, like okay, well I'll cut those just in half roughly, those two or three. What's that? Yeah, I'll cut all those in half. So that's cool. Yep. Yep. So I want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it'll work out to 10 in half. I'll cut them all and I'll come back to you. See you soon. Bye.